Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI FET. I think we talked about it already yesterday. FET already reacted here positively to the micro support area and could be on its way higher in wave C of this larger A wave. The idea is just on this chart that we are in a wave 4 correction, quite a large wave degree after a third wave topped here around $3.50, a little lower than I wanted it to. The idea was that the third wave would stretch higher, one more fib level to round about $4.70, $4.80. It has to do it just has to do with what is normally ideal for certain structures, and this third wave definitely was a little bit too short to be reliable, not too short to be valid. Now, I did say it yesterday that if this is the case, that the third wave didn't reach the ideal target but only the minimum, then if we consider that it's possible that the decline was in an ABC structure just the A wave of wave 4, it's often the case in an ideal Elliott wave world that the B wave reaches their target, so could get to 480, 470, and then we get a C wave down before we really truly break out. That is obviously still significant movement. So I just want to highlight the possibility and actually the likelihood that the B wave, which is possibly unfolding, could be aggressive. Now, it is also possible that all of wave 4 already bottomed. I'm a bit skeptical about that. We won't be able to know the difference until later. If this is a high B wave or already the fifth wave, yeah, nobody knows. Okay, we can really only watch the relevant support levels and let's say take it step by step, take it level by level, because at the moment the market has definitely reacted. We have seen already, we have already seen a higher low. Yeah, you can see that here we rallied into resistance, touched the trend line, got rejected, moved into micro support, found support here in the area between the 61.8 retracements and the 50% retracements, so between 131 and 138. And then there's been quite another noticeable reaction, only in three waves, however, and again touching resistance and again getting rejected from the trend line. So one more high would be ideal. Then we have the next 5 wave move up that could be part of this C wave. We'll have to see how this subdivides, but the idea is that, yep, we could be in the C wave up. So A, B, C. Of course, the B wave could then top here, but I'm going to watch for a larger ABC. And at least it will give us the relevant support and resistance levels to watch, right? So what needs to happen now is a break above $1.73. That's the next resistance. So we haven't been able to break above the trend line, and we are still stuck below resistance, and therefore a move above $1.73 is needed. Where could that C wave take us? So if we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the presumed low of the B wave, then the 100% extension level, which is one ideal target, and I'll add the other fibs as well, but it points towards $2.13. So it's the 100% extension. Can always extend higher, but let's first see if we can get to $2.13, which we should be able to do if we break above $1.73. Those are sort of the key levels I'm watching at the moment. Obviously, the downside pressure would increase again with a break below the Monday low. So with a break below $1.35. It's not a highly reliable structure or anything really interesting here. It is really unclear from an Elliott wave point of view because we're dealing with corrections, but I'm tracking that as an AB with possibly a C wave now unfolding. I guess we should get some clarity shortly. Just be aware that the current move up could just be a B wave, especially as long as we're holding the Monday low. We can focus on higher, and if it's turning into something more bullish, fine, but the B wave would be quite aggressive anyway. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.